Freddie from Garden Oaks has a question about an undermount sink.
Well, it's a stainless steel one under granite. Freddie writes, my under-counter sink came unglued, and I have tried silicone and liquid nails to put it back together, and nothing works. What do you suggest to fix this?
Well, things do work, and you have to use the type of glue that you would use to glue this. It's not just pulling stuff off the shelf. So go to a plumbing supply and just get the proper adhesive, and it'll be fine. So and a couple of clips should be there, too.
There's a glue specifically designed for this?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's like an epoxy.
Okay, but it's like stainless to granite glue.
Well, it's sink to
undermount glue.
Yeah.
Okay.
But it probably isn't glued to granite. It's probably glued to a wood substrate under there. I'm not sure. Well, it could be the granite the way it's cut out, come to think of it. But yeah, usually you have to glue it and you have to prop it up and let it set overnight before you do anything to it. Okay,
so the setup on this will take overnight. And you said clips. There could be clips down there too?
A lot of sinks come with clips, and if they get lazy and don't put them in, sometimes this happens. So when you go to the plumbing supply, ask them about if this sink requires clips, or if you know what kind of sink it is, like a Kohler or whatever it might be, find out by going to their website to see if you have clips that should be holding it up to.
Wow. So in other words, it may not have been put in right in the first place.
I agree.
That could be the problem, Freddie.
That could be the problem.
All right, ready, Freddie? Go get them. And you can come get us with your questions. Send them to HomeShowRadio.com using that Ask Tom form. Fill it out, send it in. We'll answer it just like these ones over here. We appreciate you subscribing to our channel, too. It's darn nice of you. Hey, do you a favor. Click that bell. We'll ring yours when we post a new one.
Ding!